Hello guys, today I want to give a summary on the TED Talk How to Start a Movement. There are several crucial things that make you a leader. First of all, being a leader requires great courage, because when you are the only one standing out, you look like a lone nut to everyone else. Secondly, the first few followers joining in the movement is very important. Starting a movement is like rolling a snowball. It takes effort at first, but once it gets big enough, it will get bigger and bigger itself. Therefore, always remember to treat your first few followers equally, as they are the deciding factor whether you are a leader or a lunatic. I think that a good leader doesn't only stand out himself, but will also be willing to be one of the first few followers when he or she finds someone starting something good. That's all I want to share today. Thank you.